Today we're going to talk about TitanWax ParaNatural 51104. The 51104 is a hybrid blend of paraffin, soy, and coconut. It's a great offering that offers a very white appearance, silky smooth texture, great glass adhesion, efficient burn, and relatively low melt point, which is also helpful in our production process, also for fragrance throw. As far as how to use this wax, we recommend that you heat it to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Please look in your vessel to make sure it's completely melted at that 175. And once that is, we'll pull it off the heat and slowly stir in our fragrance. For approximately 2 minutes, we're gonna mix this fragrance. We're gonna let that settle down and we're gonna pour the wax into your preheated vessel if possible. Now, as far as preheating your vessel, we don't need to preheat it to an extreme temperature, about 120, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, just enough to knock the chill off. Now, when we cool this, like most candle products, we'll want to cool it in a temperature-controlled and a humidity-controlled environment. Make sure you get some airflow if possible. Yeah, proper cooling is very important in these blends for great aesthetics and great adhesion. Now, as far as a wick recommendation, we recommend that you reach out to your wick supplier. Let that wick supplier know that you're using a hybrid blend of paraffin, soy, and coconut, and they can steer you in the right direction. It would also be helpful if you let them know the intended fragrance load so they can steer you to the proper series to use when you start your wick testing process in your facility. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing TitanWax.